Ram Ram. Continuing with the Melakarta series. Today we are in the Veda Chakra, the fourth chakra. The ragas in these chakra are Jankara Dwani, Natabhairavi, Keeravani, Karahara Priya, Gauri Manohari and Varuna Priya. This is Ri-Gi chakra. The first two chakras were, first was Raga chakra, the second one was Ragi chakra, the third was Ragu chakra, and now it is Ri-Gi chakra. Why this difference? What is Raga? What is Ri-Gi? Why? Ri-Gi is because the swaras in this chakra are Shadjamam, Chatushruti Rishabam, that is Ri-2, and Ga-1. Ri-2 is denoted with Ri. The first Ri-1 is Ra, Ri-2 is Ri, Ri-3 is Ru. The pattern of Ri for each chakra is Ra, 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 Ri, Ri, Ru. So this is the fourth chakra, this is Ri. And for Gandharam, it is Ga, Gi, Gu, Gi, Gu, Gu. So this is Ri, Gi chakra. The swaras will be Shadjam, Chatushruti Rishabam, that is Ri 2, Sadharana Gandharam, that is Ga 1, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Shuddha Daivatam, Da 1, Shuddha Nishadam, Ni 3 and Shadjamam. This is Jankara Dwani, the first raga of the chakra. So this is basically Karahara Priya plus the Purvanga is Karahara Priya and the Uttaranga will change as usual corresponding to the ragas. So this was Jankara Dwani, that was Karahara Priya plus Kanakangi. Then second one will be Karahara Priya plus Todi, Karahara Priya plus Mayamalav Gaulai, Karahara Priya plus Karahara Priya, Karahara Priya plus Shankarabharanam, Karahara Priya plus Chalanata. So, Swarasthanas for Jankara Dwani will be like Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. So, Da 2 will be Ni 3. Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. A shloka from Sri Krishna Karnamritam. Swati sapatni kilatarakana Muktapalana Janani Tiroshat Sarohini Neelam Asit Ratnam Kritaspadu Gopavadhu Kucheshu Neelaratnam Neelam Asutaratnam Kritaspadam Gopavadhu Kucheshu. The second raga in the chakra is Natabhairavi, a very famous raga with many famous Janya ragas like Saramati, Jaunpuri, Jayantashri, etc. A very famous composition in this raga is Shri Valli Devasena Pate. The swarasthanas will be, so this is Karahara Priya plus Todi. So, Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. Sa, Chatushruti Rishabam, Sadharana Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Shuddha Daivatam, Kaisiki Nishadam and Shadjamam. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Leelaya lalitaya avalambitam Leelaya lalitaya avalambitam Moolagehamiva Murti Sampada Neela Neerada Vikasa Vibhramu Balameva Vayamadriyamahe Balameva Vayam Adriyamahe Vayam Adriyamahe. The next raga is Keeravani. Sari ga ma pada ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. That is Karahara Priya plus Maya Malavgaula. Yes. Sari ga ma pada ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Sashtangapadam Abhivandya Samasta Bhavaihi Sarvan Surendra Nikaran Idameva Yache Mandasmitadara Madhuranana Chandra Vyuve Mandasmitadra Madhuranana Chandra Bimbe Nandasya Punya Nichaye Mama Bhaktirastu Nandasya Punya Nidaye Nandasya Punya Nichaye Mama Bhaktirastu Mama Bhaktirastu. The next is Karahara Priya plus Karahara Priya, so it is Karahara Priya. Sadri ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. So Karahara Priya plus Karahara Priya is Shadjamam, Chatushruti Rishabam, Sadharana Gandharam, Shuddha Madhyamam, Panchamam, Chatushruti Daivatam, Kaishiki Nishadam, Shadjamam. Mataha kim yadunatha dehi chashkam kim tena patum payaha tannastyadya kadasti vanishi nishaga kava andhakarodaye Amilyakshi yugam nishapyubhakta dehi iti maturmuhu Amilyakshi yugam nishapyubhakta dehi iti maturmuhu Vakshojam shukakarshanodyatakaraha कृष्णस्य पुष्णातु नः कृष्णस्य पुष्णातु नः The next raga is also a very famous one, that is Gaudi Manohari. Purvangam is Karahara Priya, Uttarangam is Shankarabaranam. So it goes like Sa Ri Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. The second half will be Panchamam, Chatushruti Devatam, that is Da 2 and Ni 2, Kakala Nishadam. Vrindavana Dhrumataleshu Gavam Ganeshu Vedavasana Samayeshu Drishyate Yat Tadvenunadana Paru Shikipincha Chudam Tadvenunadana Param Shikipincha Chudam Brahma Smarami Kamale Kshanam Abhranilam Brahma Smarami Kamale Kshanam Abhranilam Abhranilam. Coming to the last raga of the chakra, this is Varuna Priya, Karahara Priya plus Chalanata. Sa Ri Ga Ma Pa Da Ni Sa Sa Ni Da Pa Ma Ga Re Sa. This is again a Vivadi raga because we have Da 3 in this, that is Shat Shruti Daivatam, which is in the place of Kaisiki Nishadam, that is Ni 2. So this is Da 3, so this is a Vivadi ragam. Taking a slokam from Krishna Karnamratam. Devakya Jatara Kare Samuditaha Devakya Jatara Kare Samuditaha Krito Gavam Palina Nande Nanakadundubher Nijasuta Apanyena Punyatmana Apanyena Punyatmana Palavali Mugdhaharataralo Gopi Janalankruti Stheyano Hridi Santatam Seyano Hridi Santatam Sumadhuraha Sumadhuraha Kopi Indra Nilo Manihi Indra Nilo Manihi Indra Nilo Manihi. So that was Ri-Gi chakra, the fourth one. So it is the Veda chakra. So be with us for next fifth one, that is Bana chakra, with interesting slokas from some other granthas. Ram Ram.